Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Ruben
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. But today, and I couldn't resist this one, I said this, and you're going to see it on another video very soon where I'm geeking out completely. This is actually a special delivery for Little Coin Shop, so littlecoinshop.com.au, and I happened to get hold of it before they did because it got delivered to my office instead of where it's supposed to go. And this is all New Zealand Mint's new release, numismatic stuff. So we're going to rip through this, and you're going to want to see the next video that we do on this as well. Because if you're a Star Wars freak, it's going to have some good stuff in there for you, which counts for probably at least all of our staff bar Matt.
Which again, we're still not sure how we slipped through the cracks on that one to become a...
I'm a bit cranky about that. We're going to have to update our checklists. Alrighty, we don't need the paperwork. There is all sorts of great stuff in this one.
Michael discovering as he's opening it
yes. Love this. Now, how do I open it is the big question.
Yeah, they peel on the side there, those boxes. These
are a beautiful coin.
Ooh.
So inside a really trippy box. So you've got the box like that's one of the things that you get like on your mobile phone where you whip it off. This is the Fierce Nature series, and they come with this. I don't know if the camera's going to pick up on it, but you've got this almost Serengeti-like background. And then the coin itself, if I can get it to pop. There we go. Alrighty, so you can see it's a beautiful antique coin. That really ferocious raw with the mane going everywhere. It just looks fantastic. And it's not your standard round coin, it's actually shaped to the face of the lion. And it is still a coin. You've got the queen on the back.
A very unique shape there on the back.
With 5 Niue dollars. Actually, that highlights the shape far better, doesn't it?
Yeah.
But it's inside the protective capsule, so Matt and I can't have the argument over whether you can handle an antique coin or not. But just a really beautiful design and presentation from the New Zealand Mint on this one. So
I was going to say, we did forget to mention something, and that's that this box is from the New Zealand Mint.
New Zealand Mint.
So yeah, we're getting to see some exciting stuff that...
yeah, certainly are. Something different, which is why we wanted to raid this one. Because once it goes over to Little Coin Shop, we never see it again.
Well, besides the ones they keep here in the shop anyway.
Oh yeah, I suppose so.
But they get their pick then.
Yeah. Oh, there's a few layers of stuff. Oh, here we go. This is going to bring back my childhood, something terrible. So they've done the 80 years of Tweety. So this is part of their Looney Tunes ones. So again,
those boxes look so much easier to get into than the Perth Mint ones. Not to throw shade at Perth Mint, but man, that's easy to open. Good stuff.
So
see if I can put this above it so you can see the mirrored background there.
I'm not sure I'm game to try and get this one out.
I don't know. Yeah, I'd probably leave that one in there, particularly with the proof-like finish on there. They like to show any and all fingerprints. So yeah, let's leave that one. It'll be queening on the other side.
It will be because it's a current Niue. And look, the mintage on these is tiny. It's 1942. So, which is obviously...
That'll be the year of release on Tweety.
Yeah. So, again, another great coin, and with Christmas coming up, fantastic presents for people who geek out like me.
Which they did a similar thing on, if I can shoot past you for a second, on the Mickey Mouse coin. They did that same kind of, the release date of Steamboat Willie is the amount that they produced of them. Which I always thought was a cool idea.
Now this one I'm on the fence on.
Oh, he's hiding it. What is it?
I am. So it's always a bit of a bittersweet on this one. So this is...
I think I see why.
The Bambi coin.
You're about to start a battle in the comments.
So look, beautiful coin, beautiful box. Again, New Zealand Mint really knows how to do their presentation. In fact, this one
on that side,
there. So you can see the classic Bambi scene there with Thumper. Just the whole box itself, it's just a work of art. So they really do take great care with that. And then on the inside, you've got this fantastic coin, and again that classic scene out of Bambi, where he first meets Thumper.
Full coloured as well.
Yeah, they are. They're a stunning coin. Like I said, not controversial, but a little bit a little bit. I'm not sure what the word is. Always a bit of a tearjerker.
Yeah, the traumatised children thinking back to the couple of scenes in that movie.
Alrighty, and I think I'll just shuffle some coins around in here, but I think
Make sure there's nothing else hiding in there.
I think that's it for this box. Yeah, that's it for this box. The only reason I'm not pulling everything out is they fill it with these flaming, whatever you call these noodle things.
The packing peanuts.
And once they get out, mate, they are a pain in the backside.
That's the sign of a good unboxing when we've got packing peanuts all over the floor.
Yeah, but we're inside the shop and it's going to open in a few minutes and you're going to say, get this cleaned up.
Ah, it's future Ruben's problem.
Alright, next box. Gotta say, I love this stuff. I'm really looking forward to the Star Wars unboxing.
The hype for the future unboxing.
That's right.
It's a fight to get you to open these ones first. That was a battle in and of itself.
Yes, well, you know.
Ah, Tonka.
Everyone knows my background. And here we go. The epitome of it all. Tonka. Tell me there's not people on this channel going, oh, remember my... I've still got some of my Tonka stuff. Don't tell my wife.
She might be watching this one.
She wonders why there's so much junk in the shed. Could be a reason for that.
It's all just hiding Tonka toys.
But even the box, I mean, look at the box. It just...
Looks like there's a burst on the inside of the lid there.
Yeah, there is.
To show that as well.
But it just screams Tonka, doesn't it? Yeah, and again, vintage 1947. I kind of, like, it's a bit gimmicky the way they do that, but I actually really like it. Yeah. The way they go, well, you know, 75 years will...
Also, even just showing that on the outside of the box, as opposed to having to open it up and check out the C of A.
So, on the inside of the lid there, you've got, what is Tonka? Tonka tough, built to last. I remember the adverts, the whole lot. I could probably sing them by word. So, you've got that printed on the inside. And then you've got this pretty grunty looking coin.
That's what you want out of a Tonka tough.
So, you got the stereotypical Tonka. Although, I reckon they should have gone with the old shape where they had the cab to the right and it was metal. This almost looks a little bit plastic. But it's still brilliant. I mean, this is Tonka. You just can't beat it.
And flip it over.
The tread's on the other side. What I'm going to do with these ones...
Tread's near Queenie.
Yeah. I'm actually going to open the capsule, or the case. So before all the purists freak out, the coin itself is actually encapsulated as well, but it comes inside this presentation case. I'm not sure what you call them.
Yeah, presentation case.
But yeah, so which is just magnificent, particularly for the Tonka, magnetically sealed. But yeah, this way you can see the reverse. See the obverse much better with the Tonka tyre marks.
I'll try and get some close-ups of it as well, so that you can see it better there, and I'll also take care in getting it out of there.
So, relive your childhood memories. If you don't still have your Tonka toys to play with, which I'm slightly embarrassed to admit I still do, but you can relive it through a coin, and it's a great coin. But
it's not just childhood nostalgia; it's investing.
Yeah, that's right. That's the one.
Although, honestly, I'm sure with some of the... well, actually, I'm not sure, but with some of the dates on some of those toys, you might find those themselves are getting to be a bit of a collectible as well.
Absolutely. Now, I don't know if these are...
just Tonkas or if there's something else hiding.
I think these are all just Tonkas.
You need a Tonka to dig through them.
Yeah, that's right. Alrighty, one more layer just to make sure. Yep, these are all Tonkas. So, despite the fact that there looks like there are lots in there, they actually won't last that long. So, great Christmas presents for that person my age or slightly older.
We are starting to head to that point of the year, which feels scary to say, but yeah.
That likes a bit of nostalgia and you don't know what to get them, so it's a great one for that. Should have had them in for Father's Day, shouldn't we? Although I'm being incredibly sexist here and someone will ping me for it. But look, in and of themselves, they're a great coin and a great celebration of an iconic toy that has been around for many years. That is the unboxing for this one. Stay tuned for the next one, which is the Star Wars one, which I'm getting goose pimples over.
Excited.
But yeah, if you like any of this sort of stuff, and look, these are great. Look, they are collector pieces, but they're really pleasure pieces, if you like, more than anything else. So, but if this floats your boat, or you think it might float the boat of someone close to you, littlecoinshop.com.au, get over there, grab one while you can. They won't last particularly long, and they are a great fun addition to your stack.
Yeah, and it's cool to see some stuff coming through. That's it, like I said before, from New Zealand. Some of those interesting pieces.
Excellent. All right, thanks for that. We'll talk again very soon with a Star Wars unboxing.
See you later.
See ya.